Welcome to your online business blueprint for beginners. This is your moment to shine. Have you ever imagined building your own online business? Get ready, your adventure begins right now. Maybe you felt overwhelmed or unsure where to start. That's totally normal. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way. The internet can be noisy and confusing, but you have the power to rise above it all. Let's clear the path together. Today, I'll break it all down for you, one simple, powerful step at a time. We're in this together, and you've got this. First, forget about fancy degrees or big investments. You already have what it takes to get started. You can absolutely begin from zero experience. Believe in yourself. You must own your why. Your journey starts with one bold step. Here's your beginner's blueprint. Let's unlock your potential together. Step 1. Choose your business model. This is where your dreams start to take shape. Keep it simple. Keep it real. You are more than capable. For one, try affiliate marketing. Earn by sharing products you love. It's fun, rewarding, and totally possible for you. Or explore print on demand. Design shirts, mugs, or bags, and let your creativity shine bright. You only pay for products when you make a sale. Low risk, huge potential. Believe in your ideas. If you've got a skill in writing, design, or organizing, freelancing is your launchpad. The possibilities are endless when you believe in yourself. Step 2. Build your online presence. Show the world your unique talents. Don't overthink it. Just take action. Every move forward is a victory. Start with a simple website or a social media profile. Every step you take matters. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Fiverr make it easy. Even if you're not a tech expert, you are unstoppable. Step 3. Learn as you go. Growth is your superpower. You don't have to know it all right now. Stay curious, keep learning, and celebrate every win. Take small steps. Every bit of progress is a reason to be proud. Watch tutorials, join free communities, and keep improving. You're never alone on this journey. Step 4. Take action. The best time to start is right now. Your future self will thank you. The biggest myth? That you have to be perfect from the start. That's just not true. You don't. Progress beats perfection every time. Start messy. You'll learn, grow, and amaze yourself along the way. You'll figure out the details as you go. Trust yourself and trust the process. If you're wondering, can I really do this? The answer is a resounding yes. I believe in you. I am cheering you on every step of the way. Every online business owner started right where you are, and so do I. Full of hope, courage, and determination. No experience, a little doubt? That's okay. All you need is the courage to try. Ready to take your first step? Let's get started today. Your amazing future is waiting. I recommend affiliate marketing as a fantastic way to begin. Click the link below to discover real actionable steps to launch your online business. You are never alone. I'm with you every step. If you're ready, click the link now or visit my page at www.elmwellnetics.com. Thank you for watching. Keep believing in yourself and see you in my webpage.